Boom. Oh, this freaking mockingbird won't be quiet. Just loud as heck. Freaking mockingbird. Anyway, get my stuff ready. Gonna go out there for a little while. Alright, everybody. Looks like we're gonna have to have a new angle of the camera because I broke my headpiece. So you're back on my chest again. Hopefully I'll get this right. Who's that guy right there? Mr. Mark Spurgeon. Yay. Hello, Mr. Mark. We're gonna take you fishing, brother. All right, let's go. We're gonna target the bridge and let's see what we can find today. All right, everybody. I hope this is a good angle because this is the only band that I have. My headband broke, so it'll be interesting. I just hope I get some fish here. Using Anthony Kid Crappie's jig here. Let's see what we get.
Why you bringing me in there?
Yeah. Hope I got a good angle on it. Ah, come here. There we go. All right. How about that, y'all?
Look at there.
Look at there. He's gonna go back in the water. That's a nice one. Hello. Whoa, man, it's rough out here. That's a good little hook right on the top. Look at that. Fredo's jigs. That's on the Kid Crappie jig. How about that? Nice. Bam. Ta-da. We got a sand bass. Hey. Chill, bro. Hey, bro. Chill, bro. It is rough out there, y'all. Caught a few fish, but we've been moving a lot. We may have to go into the same place, and it's just gotten really rough around here. So anyway, we'll be back. Oh, there we go. Look at that, everybody. I got me a sandy. The sandies have come to play. What the heck are these kids doing? All right, nice. What do you think? You ever tried? Oh, another one. Damn, this one's a fighter, dude. Look. Oh, they're loving the fishing. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. There you go. Bam.
Yeah. He's bigger.
Mark, I know you love cleaning them, right? I'm just kidding. Well, at least we're catching here. We're having fun. Even though it's extremely windy. There is a nice one right there. Nice. I'm hoping this angle works for you guys and gals. Anyway, there's another one. Ah, gotcha. Oh, another nice one. Not too bad. Just keep her for sure. Faster and faster and faster. Well, everybody, we caught a few crappie, but the sandies are always nice to play with. So there we go. Bam. Oh, bam, they hitting it really good. I got your line, bro.
Oh, you got it?
Oh, sorry. Here, let me. Oh, it came off. Yeah. Oh, you got it. Okay. Now it went in the water. She should be able to get it. Oh my God, that was hilarious. We got a double. I was like, that's a strong fish. Oh my God, it's hilarious. That was awesome. Well, at least you're having fun, Mark. Good time.
Good time. Fishing with Fredo.
Champagne. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Man, some nice ones around here. Not too bad. It's about a medium. And low. There's. Oh, that sucker. Oh, Oh, he took my kid crappie jig. Dang it.
Oh, man.
Must have popped. Must have had a real weak area or something. Dang it. Oh, nice.
That's a big
Yeah. Yes, sir. Mr. Mark got himself a keeper. Barely. That's all right, Mark. You son of a biscuit.
Hey, mine's good to see.
There we go. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, nice cross.
Simon, ese.
What do you think? About 10, 3/4, 11, maybe?
Yeah, you know what? I should have. Well, tomorrow I'll be working on my. Ooh, that's a good one.
Not waiting on, bro.
Not bad. That's a little. Never mind. Man, that sucker hit her hard.
He's barely a 9 3/4. I don't think he's 10 nowhere.
No, not even. Maybe 8 3/4.
Yeah.
But he loves the jig. All right. Oh, they're behind me. Gotcha. What do we got? Woo! Whatever it is, strong. Oh yeah. What do we got here? Another catfish? Oh, dang, what is it? Look, Mark. Woo, woo, woo. I haven't even seen him yet. Yeah. Woo. Oh, it's a nice Magnum Sandy. Look at that.
Nice magnum.
Yeah. Look at that. I love these Ascension rods. Thank you, Mr. Hoffs. You make an awesome rod, brother. Oh, got you, sucker. Woo! Dang!
Godzilla.
Golly!
Got a Godzilla here.
Woo! Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big one right here. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
That almost looks like a dang hybrid.
Sandy, though.
Wow, that's a nice Magnum Sandy. Golly. Look at that. Woo! Right through the bone, baby. Come on. Don't ruin the... There we go. Nice. Off the drill sergeant, y'all. Man, look at that. Got a little blood on him. He's okay. He is okay, everybody. Yeah, that was a perfect hook set too. Nice. Thank you for the fight, sir. Goodbye. Oh, everybody. Well, we did okay. We caught a few nice fish, and we did get into some sandies, and even Mr. Mark caught some fish. Anyway, it's at least the wind calmed down, and the Yahoos, of course, are out there somewhere out there. So we're gonna go ahead and go. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. Thank you, Mr. Mark, for joining us.
Thank you, Fredo.
And we will see y'all later on. Thanks for the support. Bye.